Hello everyone, welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 5th February and first of all national news. Anil Ambani told Supreme Court he won't leave country without permission. India's data center hub push got Nivida boost after budget 2026 incentives. Upset over India US trade deal, Punjab farmers plan mega protest. Air India checked fuel switches on Dreamliners, said no issues found. Cancellations, competition panel ordered probe against Indigo. 8,189 crore rupees saved from being stolen in cyber frauds from 2021 to 25 center. International news. Human rights situation in Bangladesh deeply alarming, HRSS report. Dubai loop to link high density areas through one directional tunnels for faster travel. Ukraine and Russia hold second round of US brokered talks in Abu Dhabi. Spanish government plans to ban social media for children below 16. News related to business. Mahindra bags export order of 35,000 units of Scorpio pickup from Indonesia. SEBI mulls over overhaul of fit and proper person framework governing market intermediaries. India US trade deal to accelerate capital formation, SEBI Chairman Tohin Kant Pandey. Sports related news. Under 19 Cricket World Cup, India enter final beating Afghanistan by 7 wickets. Asian Rifle and Pistol Championship. Olympian Isha Singh clinched gold in 10-meter pistol event. Badminton Asia Team Championships. India began campaign on a winning note. And that's all in news. Thank you.